Hey, this is Brett from Organic Parables, and I just want to give you an idea about what we're all about here. I learned a long time ago that discipleship is best conveyed over a cup of coffee, and God is put in the center of the conversation. I'm really fascinated with parables because Jesus used them as his primary form of teaching. The funny thing about parables is they don't fit into a legalistic framework, and it's hard to make a story into a law. That got me on a rabbit trail of trying to understand a little bit more about Jesus' teachings. It pulled me more into the story. I began to cross a barrier from looking at the scriptures like they were a rule book into seeing the big story. And as I began to look at the big story, I would see these themes that kept on arising. It's like the scriptures are a citrus fruit that's squeezed, and all the good stuff can come out in the essence. And that's what we're shooting for with Organic Parables is to deliver some useful and good quality scripture squeezed ideas that will help you in your faith, because there is a holistic one theme story, and all these other things just fit into the parts. What is the mission of God? What is the objective of the scripture? And how do all these themes fit into that bigger piece? And once you know, then that's the story. And so I'm aiming to be the kind of teacher that Jesus was by telling stories and telling parables. It's one of my objectives not just to have a website, because these videos are put out there, whet the appetite to get you started on what the idea is. My objective is to bring people together, making God the center of the conversation.